video over and over. You know what I mean? How to lose weight, how to get rid of your belly fat, and also how to detox your body. But today I'm gonna give you, it's summer, and a lot of people been doing different kind of stuff in the summer to lose weight and detoxing their body. I'm gonna give you a recipe on cucumber, fresh mint, and lemon apple cider vinegar. Get a flat tummy overnight, and this works. Drink this before you go to your bed after dinner, and drink this first thing in the morning before breakfast, and see what happened in 10 working days. Alright, so first thing what I'm going to do, slice up my cucumber. So basically, if you make this, at least 2 bottles of this, 1 in the morning and leave 1 before you go to your bed. So I'm going to put the cucumber straight inside of the water like this. A portion of cucumber, let's pour a little bit of the water. It's too much water, because I'm going to make this to bring to work with me. Alright, so you work in the bank, or you work at a car mart, or you work at some big, you know what I mean, high building place. Drink this during working hours. Alright, 1 medium-sized lemon, cut off a few slices, because lemon is very strong, or lime. So use what you have. I'm using lime at the moment, so I'm going to put a few slices of lime in the water. Apple cider vinegar, if you don't have any, you don't need to worry yourself, but I'm going to put roughly about a teaspoon inside of the water. And secondly, I'm going to simply put this down in the water, because that's my jug where I normally use for my stuff. Alright guys, so that's prevent this stuff from coming up. Lovely. Alright, what's going on here? It's supposed to just cock on nicely. Oh, lovely. Shake it up like this, and this, yeah, this is what happened. See what happened in 10 working days with this drink. And as I say, I did this kind of video over and over and over, and basically I'm always encourage people to detox their body and lose weight. Give it a try and get a flat tummy overnight, and see exactly what happened the next day when you drink this before you go to your bed. Fresh mint, cucumber, lemon, and ginger, all of these things do works. Alright, thank you for watching, stay tuned, and I will see you next time on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, follow me. And this video will be on Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, because he's the best at the moment.